Hello foodies! Today I'm going to show you a simple breakfast recipe with flattened rice. This recipe is very easy to prepare. For this recipe I'm using 250 grams of flattened rice. Drop the flattened rice in a strainer and pour water on top of it. Flattened rice need to absorb water. You should not feel any hard part in the rice. Now keep the rice aside and heat up the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot, add 50 grams of peanuts and fry them. When you observe dark spots on peanuts, take them out. And in the same oil, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, quarter teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic cloves, 1 green chilli, finely chopped 1 medium-sized onion and fry till onion softens. When onion softens, add 1 stem curry leaves, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt to taste. Mix and add fried peanuts and mix. Now add wet flattened rice and mix slowly. When rice mixed with the mixture well, switch off the gas and serve hot. This poha is very tasty when you eat hot.